The folding arms on the Mini 2 are not dissimilar to the larger drones. You don't want to be able, you can't pull this one out here because it locks it up. The front two come out first, and then they're followed by the rear two, and you can see those now. So there is the Mini 2 with its arms unfolded. When you look at the Mini 3, it's a new and different design. These the front props come out underneath like this, so you can see that they fold underneath like this. Same with this one. And then the rear ones fold out here like this. And it's more like a, my granddaughter calls it a bat. It flies a bit more like a bat. You can now fold this one underneath and that one out. They're independent, so you don't have to pull this one first. You can pull this one first and then this out, and you can fold this one back first and back out, or open this one and open this one. It doesn't matter on this particular drone. So that's the folding arms of the Mini 3. The arms fold in for ease of use, for ease of transport. They fold down and back over the top like that. You can't pull this one, the back ones out first because you lock this up. The front ones have to come out first. That's you pulling the drone front arms out, and then the bottom ones out here. And the propellers you can just pull out. They're on centrifugal propellers, so they come out, as you can see there. We've got the Mavic Air, the Mavic Pro, the original Mavic Pro, and the Mavic 2. Looking at the Air, all of these drones have the props left on them, but the Air has the props are fixed in a position, whereas in the other ones they actually fold out and come out by centrifugal force. Let's take a look at the Air first. Both the back legs fold out. They don't pull out, they fold upwards. Those are coming out this way, and then the front legs pull out this way and this way, and these are the antennae and also the front legs that fold down that keep the camera away from the ground, and that's what it looks like when it's on the ground. These props are fixed, they're not foldable. That's the Mavic Air. Let's move that over there. Then we've got the Mavic Pro. Again, the legs fold out, but you can't move those legs out before you pull the front ones out. There's a sort of technique to, so pull the front legs forward first, like that, and then pull the back ones out afterwards. And then that again sits down, and the centrifugal force when the props go around will open those out. And to fold it back in, you push those back in this way, fold the props back underneath, pull that in underneath, and then pull the front ones back and then back. And it's that straightforward. The same applies to this drone, the Mavic 2. You can't pull these out first because this locks this here. So you have to pull the front legs out first, as before, and pull this one underneath again here. And then that one sits, move that out of the way, that sits there. This actually is a stronger build than the original Mavic Pro. It's a lot more sturdy in the construction and the materials that they've used. That's how you fold and unfold the drones. The major benefit of the foldable drones is they fold away really quickly to a small size, which is very transportable. So you can see that's folded down very quickly. You can stick that straight in the box, go straight in. Let's look at the Mavic Air now. If I fold the front legs in first, and then the back legs in afterwards. This is the case that it comes with, which is really small. And that's how quickly you can put the drone away. If you want to deploy it quickly as well, and this is in a backpack, it's very, very simple to do. And that's the major benefit of the small foldable drones. Mavic Air is ready to go. If you enjoyed this video, then subscribe to the channel or watch the next video in the playlist or the new videos that we've just recently downloaded. Bye for now.